Are you ready to transform your vehicle's security with one of the most advanced dash cams on the market? Meet the BlackVue DR900X-2CH, a dual-channel 4K dash cam that claims to set the gold standard for video quality and cloud connectivity. But is it really worth the premium price, or are there better options for your money? Stick around as we break down everything from real-world performance to hidden quirks you must know before buying. BlackVue Product Overview. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH is a flagship dual-channel dashcam system, launched by Pitasoft under the BlackVue brand in 2021, designed for drivers who want uncompromising video quality and smart features. This setup includes a 4K front camera and full HD rear camera, both housed in sleek, low-profile casings. It's packed with cloud connectivity, advanced parking mode options, and built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, perfect for fleet managers, rideshare drivers, or anyone serious about vehicle security. What makes it matter today? It's one of the few cams combining true 4K clarity with reliable cloud features that actually work in real life. BlackVue DR900X-2CH Performance. Let's talk real-world use. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH shines when it comes to video performance. The 4K front camera, powered by an 8-megapixel CMOS sensor, captures impressive detail. License plates, road signs, and even small objects are clear, even at night or in challenging lighting. The rear 108op camera complements this well, covering your back without major quality drops in stress tests, like driving through heavy rain or low-light downtown streets. The DR900X-2CH maintained excellent clarity, although night footage showed some noise in very dark areas. Parking mode, especially with the optional BlackVue PowerMagic Ultra battery, delivered peace of mind. Motion events were captured smoothly without missing crucial seconds. Cloud performance, surprisingly solid. Remote live view and push notifications were responsive, though they do depend on your vehicle's data connection. The unit stayed cool during long drives, with no overheating issues reported, even during summer tests in Arizona. Features and tech. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH isn't just about stunning video, it's a tech powerhouse. 4K Ultra HD front camera plus full HD rear camera. The DR900X-2CH's 4K resolution genuinely makes a difference when you need to capture fine details and incidents, outperforming most 2K and 108op rivals. Cloud connectivity. BlackVue Cloud. With a data plan, you can check in on your car anytime, get impact alerts, and even track location history, ideal for parents or business owners managing multiple vehicles. Parking mode with buffered recording. The Drive 900X-2CH TESO just record on impact. It saves video before and after events, so you get the full story. Compared to competitors like the Thinkware U1000, BlackVue's cloud features feel smoother and easier to set up, though the Thinkware edges ahead on night detail in some tests. Design and build. Sleek and stealthy, that's the best way to describe the DR900X-2CH. Both cameras sport a compact, cylindrical design, finished in matte black to blend seamlessly behind your rearview mirror or on the rear glass. Build quality feels premium, with sturdy materials that withstand heat well. The minimal branding and no display design mean no distraction while driving. The front unit's dimensions are about 4.5 x 1.5 inches, big enough to pack powerful hardware, but small enough not to obstruct your view. The included mounts feel secure, and setup is clean with minimal visible wiring. Pros: genuine 4K. Front video quality with crisp detail. Reliable cloud features with impact alerts and live tracking. Sleek, discreet design, ideal for stealthy installation. Cons: premium price compared to 2K and 108op models. Cloud features require constant internet hotspot or SIM router. Setup and installation. Installation is straightforward if you're handy with routing wires. The DR900X-2CH comes with all necessary cables and adhesive mounts. Most users can complete a basic install in 45 to 60 minutes. For hardwiring to enable parking mode, it's best to use a Pro installer or BlackVue's PowerMagic options too. Protect your battery. The BlackVue app guides you through Wi-Fi pairing and cloud setup smoothly. It's a bit techy at first, but most users report success on the first try. Final verdict. So, is the BlackVue DR900X-2CH worth it? If you want top-tier video quality, excellent parking protection, and true cloud access, this is one of the best dual-channel dashcams you can buy. Yes, it costs more than many competitors, but you're paying for proven reliability, advanced features, and build quality that lasts. Ideal for luxury car owners, fleet managers, or anyone who takes vehicle security seriously. If budget is tight or cloud features aren't essential, consider alternatives like the Viofo A129 Pro Duo Butt. If you want the best, the DR900